Alright, here's a video on how we can set up these problems to solve for this missing side x, and these are coming from problem number 2 in our chapter 4 review. Anytime we have these problems where you're solving for a missing side of a triangle, a right triangle, we are doing our slope ratio, oops, let me grab my pen, slope ratio set equal to the rise over the run. Anytime you see these problems here in chapter 4, that's what we're doing, okay? And the slope ratio is always going to be using our angle that they're giving us, okay? So in this first one, it's 72. In the second one, it's 62. And so to find our slope ratio, we learned in chapter 4, we can do the tangent of the angle they're giving us. So in this first part A, we can do the tangent of 72 and set that equal to the rise over the run, okay? Well, the rise is always going to be the side that is opposite of our angle, or the side that is across from our angle. So in this first one, the rise would be x because it's across from our 72-degree angle. That means the run in this problem would be 19. Another way to see it could be that the run is always going to be between your 90-degree and your angle 72. All right? And then what I always do in these problems is I always put the tangent of whatever angle it is, and I put it over 1 because that doesn't change anything and it allows me to cross multiply here. And so I do 1 times x, that gives me x in cross multiplying, and then the tangent of 72 times 19 is the tangent of 72 times 19, which we can do on our calculator. Make sure whatever calculator you're using is in degrees and not radians. Okay, so every calculator is a little bit different. If you want me to help you out more to make sure that you're in degrees, just let me know, and we can talk about it, make sure that we can find out where that is on your calculator. But for me, I'm already in degrees, so I can put into my calculator the tangent of 72, multiply that by 19, and I end up getting x equals 58.48 when I do this problem here. Okay? And so big ones there again, just remember slope ratio set equal to the rise over the run. Let's try it again here in part B. So again, slope ratio set equal to the rise over the run. The slope ratio is going to be the tangent of my angle they're giving me, which is 62, set equal to the rise over the run. Well, remember the rise is always across from your angle, opposite side from your angle. So in this case, it's 16, and the run would be x. I always put the tangent over 1 so I can cross multiply here. And I'm cross multiplying 1 times 16, which is 16. And then I have the tangent of 62 times x. Well, to get x by itself here, I need to divide both sides by the tangent of 62, because then it'll cancel out and I'll just be left with x. So I'm dividing both sides by the tangent of 62. Like I said, tangent of 62 here is going to cancel out. So on my calculator now, I have to do 16 divided by the tangent of 62. And when I do that on my calculator, make sure you're getting the same answer with yours. 16 divided by the tangent of 62 gives me 8.51 when I round it. And there would be your x value there. Okay, any more questions about this? If you want to see part C, just let me know. Or any other questions you've seen throughout this, please feel free to email me those questions.